Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name's Megan. Today I'm going to be filming a tutorial on how I do my loose curls because it was highly requested on my Instagram. My Instagram is linked in the description as well if you want to go and follow me over there. But if you do enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see my future videos, and we'll just get onto the video. Right, so, I'm guessing that was a big catfish moment because I'm assuming that I'm going to film my intro after this when it's done, so I can show you what it looks like and then show you how to do it. So I'm going to be curling my hair like I did on my story. I'll try and put a picture on the screen or a video on the screen. I'm not good at that, but if I do put one on the screen, here is what it looks like, what I'm doing today, because I posted it on my Instagram and a lot of people said that they would like me to do a tutorial on it because I like really loose but not loose curls. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll have seen in the video, so we're just going to get on with it. So I have this curling one, it's this one. I don't know if you can read it because I'm pretty sure all my videos are backwards until I get a camera. I don't know how to fix that, so I'm sorry, but I just have like a tapered wand. I've already switched it on, which is why I'm not touching it because it's getting hot, but I have a tapered wand and I'm just going to show you like my technique, what I do for my hair, any tricks that I have to do with my curling hair routine. Also my curls do stay in until I wash my hair again, so usually I leave them a few days. Hair does curl a lot easier if your hair is not clean, so if you not dirty, but if you shower and wash your hair and then try and curl it straight after, it's not going to curl as well as if you curled it the next day. I washed my hair yesterday. You can hear any background noise. I don't think it's making a noise, but I've got a candle lit next to me. All the window is open. Sorry if that bothers anyone. So we're going to see what we're working with today. This is going to be a whole big mess. This is my natural hair, by the way. I just use a repair shampoo and conditioner in my shower, and then once a week I use a hair mask in my hair as well. And then I use this Revlon Professional Unique One Coconut. It's called hair treatment, but it's just a leave-in conditioner, and I put this in my hair while it's wet, and then I just leave my hair to air dry. I don't dry it with a hairdryer because I don't want to put any extra heat onto my hair. I also use this Tresemme Heat Defense Spray on my hair as well. So to section my hair, I use a scrunchie. This one's from Claire's and it's just a big scrunchie. And then I take it from just above my ears and I like scoop up to the top so that there's more hair at the back. I gather all my hair together and I just scoop it up into like a bun, like this. And that leaves us with this much hair at the bottom. So to start with, I just take a section from the back, and I like to take them in like this size sections. I don't know how to describe to you how much hair I've got. And then I just brush through it and grab it, and then I get my curler and I hold it downwards so like the wire is in front of me, and I curl away from my face all the way down. So usually my hair doesn't even fit on the curler, and then I just hold it for a bit until I think it's done. I don't really have a specific amount of time, it depends how much hair I wrap around. And then I just drop it into my hand and I hold it up like this. If I'm wanting to go out in literally like hours time, then I will clip it up there until it cools down, but if not, I just keep it in my hand like this and shake it around and then drop it, and this is what it looks like. The ends of it don't really matter because it's going to be underneath anyway. And I just continue to do that all the way through the bottom section. So this is one side of my hair done. As you can see, all the curls go the same way, which is how I like my curls to go. So when I brush them together, they're all one big curl like the Molly May curls, but obviously I can't afford a Molly May curler, so here we are improvising. So for this side I pretty much do the same thing. I just grab a piece of hair from the back. I always start at the back and go to the front because I feel like that's easier for me, and I won't get like my hair tangled up. And then take the curler upside down and curl away from my face, and then I just do that for the rest of this hair. Right, I'm back. I was talking to my dad. I don't know if you saw him there, but I might blow him out, I don't know. Yeah, these ones are all curled this way away from my face, and then these ones all this way away from my face. So then next I'll just chuck it all behind. Take down this bun that I put up earlier. It doesn't matter about sectioning your hair yet because I do section it again. So I take it like from here, like, I don't know how to describe this, but just like the corners of my head, even though it's round. I just take a section like this and section it and wrap this round into a little bun, and then I bring it all forward again, and you can see like where it's curled and where it's not, and I just chuck the curls behind and leave the uncurled bits in front. Once I brush through, I just go through and curl this the same way. So take a small section, small sections at a time, and curl this side away from your face this way, and then the same on this side, curl away from your face that way. So I'll come back once I've done this. So I'm back, and this is what my hair looks like. It looks super crazy. I'm just going to move on to the last section of my hair. Most important section for me, because I like to section my hair down the middle, so I like to have a middle part. So usually I just brush it forward so it doesn't get tangled with the rest of my hair. And then I'll just use my nail to like split it roughly, and then I can fix that afterwards if it's not straight. I will take you with me through this layer of my hair. I'll probably speed it up like I did the first layer, but yeah, like always, make sure you brush it through before you curl it, and curl away from your face on both sides. I always like to make sure that I get right up to the top when I curl the top layer of my hair, and again just hold it up. Sometimes I like to flip it over this side so that it keeps its curl at the top while it cools down, and you can do that with like literally every piece of your hair as well. If you've sectioned it properly, the pieces you should be able to just split them straight down and they shouldn't be too thick to curl. So this is straight after I've curled all my hair, and it literally looks so stupid. I would never go out like this. And then I'm just going to take this hairbrush like this, and it's just got like, I don't know if you can see. I'm going to start from the bottom and just comb through all of my curls, and it's going to feel like you're getting rid of all of your hard work, but you're not. I promise they do bounce back up anyway. Your hair is not going to just suddenly turn all the way back, and I just keep brushing them. They are going to still look a bit crazy. One thing that I don't do is use hairspray on my hair, just because I feel like this shortens the life of my curls. Like when I sleep in it, if I sleep with like my hair like this, it's going to stay like this because the hairspray is being warmed while I'm asleep, and then it's set back in place and my hair will be a mess in the morning. So I don't use hairspray in my hair, but my hair does hold curls pretty well. And then I like to take sections from like the very top of my hair, like just really small sections, and recurl them so that they're super curly at the top, so that there's like some curls at the top. They do drop as well, so they don't just stay like this. forever, but they'll just give like the top on my head so it doesn't look like it's so flat and then super curly. And I do this on both sides, just pick a few pieces out and recurl those. That is all I do for my hair for now. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and while I do my makeup I just treat it as if I've not got my hair done. So I'll just still put my headband on like usual and tie it back into a scrunchie, because I feel like the more you like treat your hair like it's not curly, the better the curls will look. Like that's why I like to sleep in mine, because I don't put it up while I sleep or anything. I'll literally just sleep on it, and then in the morning my hair always looks better than it does the day before. So I'll be back soon when I've done my makeup. So I finished my makeup. This is what I look like. It took me like an hour, so that's way longer than usual, but I would just do it slowly. And this is what my hair looks like. I've literally not done anything to it since. I just put my headband in and a scrunchie to do my makeup, and then I've literally just pulled it out now. You can brush through it again. You'll just make it like softer, but like the longer you give them the better they look, I think, because I like mine to look like really relaxed. I'll try and do a behind shot, but I don't know if you'll be able to see. See? I don't know if you can see, but I'll guess it you can see. And this is what it looks like. I wanted to film an extra little bit because I've like sorted it out now, like gone through it with my fingers and stuff, so I don't have to tuck it behind my ears. And this is what it looks like. So basically this is my favourite hair that I ever do. Like, this is my go-to hair. It honestly doesn't take too long to do. So yeah, I just wanted to show you like a close-up of what my fringe looks like. And this is after having it tucked behind my ears for a bit, and then I just like went like this and then shook my head. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see my future videos. I post every Sunday at 6 p.m. I do polls on my Instagram pretty much every week to see which videos you would like to see, so make sure you go follow me over on my other social medias. The links for them will be in my description. And take part in them so I can see what videos you do want to see in the future. But apart from that, I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next week. Bye!